Hello everyone, my name is Navnath. Today I will discuss with you interface. In interface, we discuss the some important point as what is interface, properties of interface, syntax of interface, why to use interface, and some other important point. First of all, I introduce what is interface. In abstraction, we can achieve 1 to 100% abstraction, but in interface, we can achieve only 100% interface. In interface, only the abstract class are present. In interface, we do not need abstraction before the method. The method automatically made as a abstract. In interface, we use the interface keyword. In for the interface for the interface method implementation, we can use the implement word. Some properties of the interface. For the using interface, we can use the interface keyword. Interface have the same like as a variable and method. Interface is the same like as a class but not a class. It is a blueprint or same as the class. In interface also the variable present and method present. We do not need declare when we do not declare the variable and method, then the method and variable automatically get as a public, final and static. We do not made interface constructor because the using of static keyword it allocate memory once time. In abstraction method, we can be made the constructor because the variable may be public or other type. In interface, we do not use the constructor. By using the interface, we can achieve multiple interface. In generally Java, we cannot use multiple inheritance, but using the interface, we can achieve multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, we can interface two or more superclasses. In other Java, we do not use interface, then the diamond problem occur. But we can use interface for the avoiding diamond problem. For the creating interface, we can use the interface keyword. For using the interface keyword, we can use the interface. In interface, method are implement in other class. The method goes automatically public, static and final. This all about the interface keyword. Thank you.